Rebecca Soni set a new world record in the women's 200m breaststroke on Wednesday. All she did on Thursday was set another one, and win the gold medal in the event. Soni finished the event in February 1959, smashing her own world record by 0.41 seconds, and outpacing the rest of the field by more than a second. Satori Suzuki of Japan finished in February 20th 72, and Yulia Efimova set a new European record with a 2.20.92, but this was Soni's race from start to finish, and she turned through her final 100 meters and added more than 0.4 of a second on Suzuki in the final 50. How fast was Soni throughout the Olympics in this event? Her qualifying time, at 2.21.40, would have won the bronze in this event.